y'all, so today's video is in collaboration with Love Me Hair. They did go ahead and send me out some new hair, which is their deep wave human crochet hair. This actually comes with 160 strands. I'm going to be installing this on my daughter Jania's hair. I did have to do the math and make sure that we had enough. Stay tuned. Jania and me are going to be doing this video today in collaboration with Love Me Hair.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls, just me and my divas, taking over the world. Divas, hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
Hey divas, so as you guys know, this video is being sponsored by Love Me Hair. So because the crochet hair did come with 160 strands, I do have to make sure that I have enough. My daughter Mumsy has a lot of hair. It's very thick, but she has a lot of it. So I am going to be braiding 40 braids on each half of her hair. So that way each braid will have 2 strands of the crochet. You need some water? Here you go. A little water. So this is how it looks after I've done 80 braids in her hair. And I went ahead and did the back or some of it off camera because it's just the same repetitive movement and, you know, install. These are actually really amazing to install. I will say this, that miracle knots have become so trendy. I actually love doing them in my own hair because when I'm not wearing a wig, which is very seldom, then I still can look extra cute with my miracle knot braids. They're a great protective style, but they're also a great style to allow your head to breathe. Now, my daughter Mumsy has had many different crochet styles, and this is one that I had to convince her to choose because she thought the braids were going to be big and not a lot of hair. However, once she see me do mines for a third time, she really did like them, and she also did state that it's not as hot as wearing the crochet hair when you do cornrows. So for this video, we were sent 160 strands, and I definitely had enough for her hair. The hair has been worn now for about 2 weeks. My daughter Mumsy has been wearing this hair for 2 weeks. And I will say Love Me Hair has some amazing featherweight human crochet hair. I have experienced many different vendors when it comes to crochet hair, and some may seem really good in the very beginning stages, but after a while, the tangle and the matting is out of control. Now, my daughter Mumsy has been able to experience, I do believe this is her 4th vendor install, and she is actually loving this hairstyle because it's so easy maintenance. You do not have to wet it every night. These deep waves are very succulent, and the hair keeps its form, and I do not see any type of tangling or matting while I do observe and check my daughter's hair. Now, this is a really easy style, and I feel like anyone can do this. You definitely, all you need is yourself. Now, if you're doing your own box braids on your own head, like I've done it myself, they may not all come out perfectly square, but just keep in mind that the crochet hair is going to hide all of any type of flaws that you may have. Love Me Hair has some amazing hair, from their wigs to their braid wigs, not even to their crochet human hair. A great opportunity if you are looking for a style, but don't want to spend hours upon hours getting it done or a lot of money. This is definitely a style that I do believe that anyone can do, even if they don't have braiding girl braid technique. If you can braid your own hair, then you can definitely loop some crochet through it and make yourself a crochet hairstyle. Miracle knots are the thing. It's great because out here in Arizona, it's super hot. So this does allow your scalp to breathe. Now, the one thing that I will say about my daughter's hair is she has a lot of it, a whole lot of it. But I do like the fact that her hair easily blended with the crochet hair at the ends. And all you need to do is feed the hook through, feed the hook, feed the crochet, and just loop it. Super easy. Anyone can do this. And now just to make sure that the wig is, or not, excuse me. Now we're going to go ahead and wet the hair. I do have conditioner inside this water bottle, and I'm just going to be using 2 water bottles like I'm some type of pro. And I'm also going to be applying some mousse to it, so that way we can define the curls. She has only wet this hair once since wearing it, and like I said, she has been wearing it for a little bit over 2 weeks now. This came out super cute, easy maintenance. Girl, check the description box down below if you have not tried Love Me Hair. This is one of the second vendors that I will say has amazing human crochet hair, and I would highly suggest or recommend trying them out. And on that note, I love you all. If you get the opportunity, please hype this video up so that way others can see it. Leave us a comment, and if you stay to the end, please leave us a black heart. We love you all. Stay diva and divalicious.